Hello everyone, here is a look at natural gas on the hourly time frame, and we had a nice little bounce off the bottom here on the lower 268 level, all the way up into the projected area that I was looking for around 276.3. Now we're kind of consolidating a little bit outside of the downward trend line here, and to kind of zoom out back to the 4 hour time frame so I can show you exactly in reference what this trend line is. I mean, we go back quite a bit here, back towards, it looks like mid-June, and we did have a little bit of a break outside of this, which is a false break, and then we were pulled right down lower, and clearly we ended up all the way down at the 2.68 levels. Now, there is a potential for us to try to get, outside of this and maybe bump into the 278s. I think I might have mentioned that in my last video as well, but I don't recall. I look at a lot of charts, so I apologize. Forgive me. So we might see a trip up into 278. Again, watch your RSI here, looking a little overheated soon. If we start pushing into those areas around 278, will start being in that overbought area. And if you look at your hourly, you're going to see pretty much the same type of a situation where you had, a little bit of a, bearish divergence taking place here. Is it possible that we try to push above? Yes, it is. But again, I am a little bit cautious here. Watching closely for that move to 278. If we get it, then I'll be very happy to take a little bit of a short on that back down towards the break point here around 275 at least. Still thinking that in the longer term, looking out back to the 4 hour time frame, still thinking that after we do have this next push, we should be pushing right back down into the 271s, if not breaking down even further as we head out into the future. But we'll see how it goes one step at a time. Still could see a little bit of upside here before we see a next level consolidation. That's what I'm looking for, around that 275 level, and we'll see what happens at that point in time as far as the RSI and the price reestablishing itself in this general area around that 786 fib.